Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Iloilo. Time for your convenience is 9 minutes past the hour of 5 in the morning, and the day today is 2nd of June 2024 on a Sunday. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, please remain seated and wait for your row numbers to be called for deplaning. Manatili po munang nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong mga seatbelt hanggang ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Maaari lamang po kayong tumayo matapos marinig ang inyong row number para sa maayos at ligtas na pagbaba. For passengers who need assistance like wheelchair, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. Also, please be advised that smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited in public places, conveyances, and establishments. The Iloilo City Anti-Smoking Task Force deputized agents, volunteers, and the Philippine National Police are dedicated to ensuring smoke-free environment for a delightful experience during your stay in the City of Love. This reminder is brought to you by the Iloilo City Government, the Iloilo City Anti-Smoking Task Force, and the Iloilo City Tourism and Development Office. We appreciate your cooperation in maintaining a smoke-free Iloilo City. On behalf of Captain Crespo, assisted by First Officer Gonzalez and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Nasa biyahe na kayo? Nasa biyahe na kayo? Hindi kayo napunta ng Pasa? Pinaaga natin yung iba, no? O, pinaaga pala natin yung iba. Dalawang ba? Okay, so na pinaagat yung...
Once again, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. We have a pleasant and safe stay here in Iloilo. Good morning.